Title: Making Money with Trading, the Smart Way to Start. In today's digital world, many people are looking for new ways to make money online. And one of the most popular methods is trading. You've probably heard about it. People buying and selling stocks, cryptocurrency, or Forex, trying to make profit from price movements. It sounds exciting, and sometimes it looks easy. You see people online making money, showing profits, living a good life. But here's the truth. Trading is not a shortcut to get rich. It's a skill. And like every skill, it takes time to learn. Let's start with the basics. Trading simply means buying something at a lower price and selling it at a higher price. Simple idea, but not always easy. Because the market is always changing. Prices go up, prices go down, and nobody can predict the market 100% correctly. That's why many beginners lose money. Not because trading doesn't work, but because they don't understand how it works. So before you start trading, you need to learn. Understand the market. Learn how price moves. Study trends, support, resistance, and risk management. One of the biggest mistakes people make is starting with real money without knowledge. That's like jumping into deep water without knowing how to swim. Instead, start small. Or even better, start with a demo account. Practice without risk. Build your confidence and your strategy. Now let's talk about mindset. Because in trading, your mindset is everything. You need patience. You need discipline. And most importantly, you need to control your emotions. When you see profit, you feel excited. When you lose money, you feel stressed. Many people make decisions based on emotion, and that's where they lose. A good trader does not chase the market. A good trader waits for the right opportunity. They follow their plan. They don't rush. They don't panic. Another important rule: never risk too much. Don't put all your money in one trade. Always protect your capital, because if you lose everything, you cannot continue. Think long term. Trading is not about winning every trade. It's about being consistent. Small profits over time become something big. Also, be careful who you follow. Not everything you see online is real. Some people show profits but hide their losses. So always learn from trusted sources and focus on building your own skill. Now, can you make money from trading? Yes, many people do. But it's not easy money. It's smart money. You need to invest your time before you invest your money. Learn every day. Practice every day. Improve step by step. And remember, losses are part of the game. Even professional traders lose sometimes. The difference is they manage their risk and they don't give up. If you stay consistent, if you stay disciplined, if you keep learning, you will improve. Trading can become a powerful way to grow your income, but only if you treat it seriously. Not as gambling, but as a skill. So start slow. Learn first. Practice. Control your emotions. Build your experience. Because in trading, success doesn't come from luck. It comes from discipline, knowledge, and patience. And one day, when you look back, you'll realize you didn't just learn how to trade. You learned how to control yourself. And that is the real profit.